Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is management of community life. Have you seen the children? They are going for the picnic. The family is going for the picnic. See the page number 127 of your textbook, everyone. 127 of your page number textbook. Come on, 127 page number. Shraddha, Aisha, and Emily parents, decided to take a trip in the summer vacation. They booked a special mini bus for the trip. In the morning, everyone got ready. They waited for the bus for a long time, but it did not arrive. Why? Because yesterday only they planned कि हम लोग ट्रिप जाएंगे समर वैकेशन के लिए, okay? And they booked a bus, and bus did not arrive. When they made inquiry on the phone, they realized that the driver of the bus did not know what exactly they were all waiting for. The bus driver was not told only कि हम लोग कहाँ जाना है, किधर जाना है, कितने बजे आना है, okay? So that bus driver does not know what is going on, when I should meet them. Means the planning was not proper of the trip. The management was not proper of that man who was arranging the trip. Okay. Finally, the bus arrived and they set off for the trip. What causes the confusion in the trip? That the bus driver was not knowing where to go and at what time he should pick up the parents. What could you suggest to avoid this kind of confusion? ये क्या हो सकता है? ये confusion दूर करने के लिए तुम लोग क्या कर सकते हो? We should manage everything. A plan should be managed properly. A plan, अगर बस नहीं आई तो हम लोग इससे जाएंगे. We train we go. B plan, if bus comes, what time bus should come? कहाँ पे आनी है? Everyone parents where to gather and all that, and from where we should go, which is the route and all that. This is everything plan you should make first only. That plan should be given to the person who is taking us to the trip for the vacation. Okay, means he will also not confuse and he will also not confused. Do any kind of work smoothly. To do any kind of work smoothly, अच्छे से होना चाहिए. Some management is required. We need a management properly. We need a plan properly. What is management now? What is management now? The first step in management is to prepare an outline of how and when the work is to be done. We should know how this plan should be worked, how the management should be done. Okay, means the time from timing onwards, the place onwards, where we should go, kahan pe utarna hai, if lunch timing is there, where we should stop and all that, at what time the lunch should be done, again for the tea and all that, everything should be done properly. Then only the work can be go smoothly. Then only the work can be go smoothly. If we are going to be working in a group, if we are going in a group, means like our school, we are going in a group, the outline must be cleared and more detailed. The outline must be, everything should be cleared and detailed. One has to decide what task each person will carry out. Every time if you are going for the picnic, our teacher takes us present, yes or no, while going outside also and coming inside the bus also. You're going outside the bus, teacher is counting you. Okay, yes or no means she's made her plan that my child will sit here. My child should get my student should get a food for eating and all that. She's seeing each and everything. Did you eat the food and all that? If you want to go to for toilet, if anybody is going for the toilet, she sees that that person, that student comes again back or not. अगर उसने प्लान नहीं किया हुआ तो वो क्या बोलती चलो बस कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं सब लोग आगे आगे. No, she has done her plan properly. She's managed everything properly. One has to decide what tasks each person will carry out. Each person must know clearly how to carry it out. Proper coordination has to be maintained among the people involved. If we are going in a group for the picnic, okay, children, then one person is the head. He should take each and every responsibility and he should give the work to each and every person. कि तुम लोग खाने का देखो. Okay, you see the food. Okay, you see this. If anybody is there outside, you see the dress, you see this. And if anybody is older people, you can see this. You see the medicine facilities there or not. Means each work should be allotted. Please call to the bus driver. Please call to this person. Please call to the hotel person that we are coming this time and all that. Okay, means he should give a proper work to each and every person. He should allot the work to each and every person properly. मीन्स पहला जो मैनेजमेंट रहता है, जो मेन पर्सन है, उसको ही प्रॉपरली मैनेज करना आना चाहिए. Okay, he should know each and everything maintained among people involved. We also need to make sure that each person is doing his or her work properly or not. An estimate of the amount of money needed for the work needs to be made in advance. If all these things are done properly, the work gets completed smoothly. Even if one person makes a mistake, if anything's disturbed, if one person is making a mistake, whole picnic will be disturbed. Okay? Or slacks off on the job, the work does not get completed properly. Some management is required even when guests are invited home for the lunch. If we're having a marriage at a home, how many persons are coming? Which type of food should be prepared? What we should wear? Where the guests will be sitting? Where they are sleeping? This all management should be done properly. क्या फूड में बनाना है, कैसे बनाना है, कब बनाएंगे, एट व्हाट टाइम द लंच विल बी परोसा जाएगा, कब देना है उनको, एवरीथिंग शुड बी मैनेज प्रॉपरली. What dishes will be made for the lunch? What ingredients are needed to make them? Okay, do we have all those ingredients at home, or will they have to be brought from the market? See, for making the food, each and everything is there. See, if the guests are coming, where they will sleep, we are having so much of blankets or not, having gaddas and all, okay, cushions are there or not. You should see each and everything. Then water is there now, for not for morning, they are going to for the washroom and all that, water is there not. See each and everything properly. Okay. Sorry. Do we have all those ingredients at home, or will they have to be brought from the market? How will we receive the guest? कौन जाएगा guest को लेने के लिए? Okay, parents decided many such details in advance and act on them. If everything is decided properly and carried out as a plan, the party will also be success. If something is left out, कुछ छूट गया, or if a task is not done, नहीं हुआ, it can spoil the party. Whole party will be spoiled. अगर एक खाने की चीज नहीं बनी, नहीं पसंद आया गेस्ट को, खराब, party will be spoiled. Okay, if management is necessary even for a small function such as this, how important it must be in running a school, a town, a district, a state, country. Each and everything, कुछ भी चलाने के लिए we need a proper management. कुछ भी फंक्शन हो, स्मॉल फंक्शन हो, बड़ा फंक्शन हो, big function, small function, we need a management properly. We need a plan properly. A planning should be done properly. Do you know, children, if you manage your studies properly, now comes on the studies. If you manage your studies properly, you learn better. How can you do this? How can you do this? If you are doing a properly planning for an exam, you will be passed. If you're not doing, फिर करेंगे ना बाद में, चलता है ना, बाद में करेंगे ना, 1 घंटा मम्मी करेगा ना, मैं आई विल डू नो आफ्टरवर्ड्स, थोड़ा खेल के आता हूँ ना, मैं जाता हूँ ना, बाद में आता हूँ ना, 1 घंटा करेगा ना सोने के टाइम, अभी जाने दो, बस नींद आ रही है, आई विल डू टुमारो ना मम्मी, प्लीज आई वांट टू स्लीप नाउ, आई एम गेटिंग टायर्ड, मैं खेल के आया ना, इतना खाना खाने के बाद सो गया. No proper management is there, no proper plan is there. Morning you are taking your bag and going for this exam, you are getting 0 अंडा, फिर अंडा बोल करके खा जाओ. Okay, then you should do a proper management of studies also. Firstly, you do the timetable, make a timetable. In 1 hour, I will do max 1 hour. After that, I will take one break. After that 2 hours break, I am going to study for again 1 hour. That will be subject of Marathi. Means in one day, you can study a 2 subject. You can study a 2 subject. 1 घंटे में तुम लोग लिखो, दूसरे घंटे में तुम लोग पढ़ो. Like that, you can do it. So handwriting should be also will get properly, nicely, and another you can learn also. Fix a time for studying every day and follow it strictly. See your timetable, at what time you're getting up, when you're doing a breakfast, when you're going for the tuition, at what time you want to play. जो बच्चा कुचा time है उसमें हम लोग homework करेंगे. Same like that. Make a list of things to be studied every week. Reading, environmental studies, part 1, lesson number 3, or solving sums with a fraction, like a maths also. Study the item in your plan. Take enough time to study each subject. Do not avoid studying difficult subject. In fact, finish studying them first. Whichever difficult subject you know that science is very difficult for us, history is very difficult for, first learn that only. Then comes for the easy subject that like maths, then Marathi, Hindi, then comes on that subject. But first do the difficult subject, okay? If you have free time, put it to good use by studying. If you're having a free time, don't play PUBG, don't play that games on YouTube to games, online games and all that. Hey, maar, usko maar, going on like this, okay? Fix a particular time for playing also, watching TV also. You're going to watch the TV in the evening from 7 or from 8 to 9 or 9 to 8, something like that, okay? Fix a time for playing also, watching TV and resting also. Rest is a must. However, remember to spend only that much time for those activities only. What tasks are necessary for the management of your classroom? Okay, and we'll see how to manage our classroom. Has the classroom been cleaned properly? Has the classroom been cleaned properly? Is there chalk? See if chalk is there or not, a duster is there or not in the classroom. This is called a management. Before when teacher comes inside the class, when teacher enters the classroom, you should check each and everything. Chalk is there or not, duster is there or not. So bring the chalk from the staff room and keep it over there. The teacher should not get disturbed while teaching. Okay. Is there chalk and a duster in the classroom? Is the board clean? Clean the board before entering the classroom. जैसे तुम लोग enter करते हैं, clean the board and all, write the date. Okay. Checking these things regularly. Writing good thoughts on the board and maintaining discipline in the classroom is responsible of class representative. Class representative is a responsibility of a monitor. But in our school, monitor is only talking too much, going on whole day. Okay? Like that, class representative. Sorry. Similarly, to make sure that the school is running smoothly, a school management committee is formed. Okay, the school management committee consists of parents, teachers, local expert, and student representative. The committee tries to understand difficulties of parents. The committee means a PTA member is the one person who gives a message to the from parents to the management and management to the parents. He is the one whole person in middle of teacher and the parents, means middle of the management and the parents, a PTA member, PTI, students and teachers. It gives guidance so as to solve these difficulties. It prepares and recommends a school development plan. It keeps an eye on the regular attendance of the student and teacher in the school, also who management. It helps in carrying out schemes such as the midday meal. Midday meals recess. In this way, teacher and parents work together through the school management committee to ensure the all-round development of students. This is called the school management committee. What work does the school management do? It sees each and every parent, students, and teachers also. Even the midday meal also, who sees the school management committee sees this also. Obtain information about the school management committee in your school. Why does school always being a fixed time? Can you tell me? Can you tell me? Why school is always having a fixed time, not fluctuation time? कभी भी आ जाओ, कभी भी जाओ, कभी भी आओ. ऐसा हो सकता है स्कूल में? No, it's not possible. Okay? Why is the timetable of all the subject made? Why it is made the timetable? Otherwise, you will bring all the books in your bag. It will be so heavy for you. So, school is making a proper timetable that you cannot carry so much of book at one time or at one day. Why do vehicles only run on the left-hand side of the road? This is called the rules made by the road police. Okay? This is all the rules made for us that accident cannot be happen. Okay? You must have wondered about these things before. If there is no fixed time for school to start, what will happen? Students will come to school and go home whenever they wish. कभी भी आओ, कभी भी जाओ, अपनी स्कूल है. कोई कुछ बोलता नहीं है वहां पर, yes or no, you can do like this, you are going to do like this. We could would not know when to study. कभी भी स्टडी करो, टाइम टेबल इज नॉट फिक्स, कभी भी उठो, कभी भी खाओ, कभी मुझे अभी स्टडी करनी है, अभी नहीं करनी है. दिस इज वे यू विल डू. If there were no timetable, student will bring the textbook and notebook of all different subjects to the school. कौन से भी subject के कौन से भी timetable you are going to bring. So we are making the timetable for your purpose only. Rules guide us about how to behave in society. Because of rule, we can be sure that everyone will behave in a particular manner. Rules should be must for playing the games होने दो या फिर going for the movies for anywhere, rules are compulsory. Okay? For example, because we know that everyone will drive their car on the left hand side, we can also drive our car in the same way, safely. If we did not know whether the vehicle coming towards us would come from the left or right side, we would also get confused. So the rules are made for our safety, so accident cannot be done. Rules are made that so that community life can go on in a smooth and orderly manner. Earlier, customs and tradition form the basis of rules. Now, it is the government that makes the rule. Who is making the rules for us? Government makes the rule for us. Like in school, who makes the rule for us? A management makes the rule for us. Okay, for the teachers also, for the students also, for the parents also. After independence, a constitution was framed for our country. The constitution provides a fundamental framework for governing the country. It lays down the principles on which a society is organized and developed. Sorry. The elected representative runs the country according to the constitution. The local administration is run by the local government body. The local administration is run by the local government bodies. Can you see this, children? Woman drawing water of a well. At a well, a park, there is also having a rules and regulation in the park, or even drawing the water in the well. This time you should go and bring the water from well. Okay, in the park, don't plug the flowers, don't touch these and all that. Then a street light. अगर स्ट्रीट लाइट होल डे रहती है वहां तो हम लोग के पकड़ देखो अभी भी लाइट चालू है. गवर्नमेंट ने कुछ इसका रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन ही बनाया नहीं. देन कचरे वाली गाड़ी और वैन कलेक्टिंग गार्बेज इन अ सिटी comes each and every time. They come in whole day. No, they are also having a time in the morning or in the evening or in the afternoon. They are coming the one time only to take the garbage. Okay. We are dependent on many people for things needed in our daily life. We are dependent on many people for things needed in our daily life. We need water for drinking, washing, for agriculture, and also for animal purposes. It is necessary to clean the garbage in our neighborhood every day. We need roads, street lights, school, hospitals, public parks, and gardens. We need everything. We need a road, we need a street light. Why we need a street light? In the morning, there is no light at all. So we need a street light, okay? अंधेरा जैसे पड़ता है वैसे आप लोग को स्ट्रीट लाइट की जरूरत पड़ती है. School, we need a school for the education, hospital for medicines and all that, public park, play, and a garden. Everyone we need this. Fulfilling these needs is responsibility of the local government body. Who are the responsible person to look after this? A local government body. Our government looks after this. Our municipality looks after this. People only elect their representative to the local government body to attend to these needs. People who elected the government municipality में जो लोग रहते हैं उनको कौन हम लोग ही बोलते हैं हाँ चलो चलो no problem. The government also election is there. Who gives us the vote? We are only the person who is giving the vote to elect the person. Okay, to work for us. But they are not doing the work for us. They are doing for themselves only. It's okay, no problem. Chalo. Then what we have learned, children? Management is necessary for any work to be done properly. A detailed plan is necessary for group work. Each and every person should go do a proper planning if they are doing some big work. Okay, If work is carried out according to the plan, अगर काम करोगे plan की तरह, it is done smoothly and no on time. It can be work done smoothly and on the time. Before time भी हो सकता है, but after time काम नहीं करना है. A school management committee works to ensure the all-round development of children. Okay, who looks after the school work here? The school management committee. And who looks after the street road, street lighting, the parks, the gardens and all that? Who looks? The local government body provides facility for the daily needs of the people. Which are the daily needs? I told you. Roads, street lights, schools, hospitals, public parks and gardens. Who look after this? A local government body looks after these. And who looks after the school management? School work, a school management looks after the school work for the student, parents, and for the teacher. I hope everyone understood the chapter clearly.